Fennel, Feniculum vulgar, has several health benefits and is used both in cooking and in traditional medicine. Some of the main benefits of fennel include: improves digestion. Fennel tea is widely used to relieve digestive problems such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. Relieves colic. It is traditionally used to reduce intestinal colic, especially in babies. Antioxidant action. Rich in antioxidants, it helps fight free radicals, which cause damage to cells. Anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce inflammation in the body. Improves respiratory health. Consuming fennel helps relieve symptoms of respiratory conditions, such as coughs and bronchitis. Regulates appetite. It can help control appetite and is used in some weight loss diets. Calming action. The tea also has a calming effect, helping you relax and improve the quality of your sleep. Do you already consume fennel regularly, or are you thinking about starting?